rock and roll. Step 1. Get a 22 LR bullet, or I suppose 22 short, 22 long would still work, but I don't have any of those. Okay. Then a wrench. This is how you safely take off the bullet from it. Twist it over like that, and then boom, look, you got the bullet, you got the cartridge, the powder will still be in here. Ta-da! And this is what you use as your projectile. Next, you need a cap gun, and you need to get rid of this red or orange thing, right? This one I've already removed, but I didn't mean to remove it. I was actually just testing this out when I was first practicing. I was like, oh, wonder if this will work. This thing flew through the barrel and broke it off. But yeah, you'll need to take that off, right? Luckily, my cap gun barrel is able to fit the 22 cartridges in perfectly. Though if yours is not, then you might have to drill it. Once you have your barrel with cartridges being able to fit in it, then you put the caps in, you put that in, and you go pa-chow, pa-chow, fun, fun. Now, I don't expect this to work very well, because cap guns, for me anyway, usually only shoot, 2 out of every 3 times, and that can screw stuff up, especially when you're dealing with real gunpowder. That was the null cap. You can see nothing in there. Now let's turn it around. That worked fantastically. Oh my god. Huh. Not sure what happened there. Skip that one. Oh! Yes! Have it on center. Oh! Oh! Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Oh, we're gonna rock down to Electric Avenue, and then we'll take it higher. Out in the street, out in the street, out in the playground, in the dark side of town. That one works. Let's have a little look, see at this, how this went. Okay, so we had one empty from the start, so we successfully shot 4 cartridges out of this. I'm thoroughly impressed with that. You see, the thing is, this cool ice cream and cherry cola, they didn't get shot, and I'm not a fan of, inequality, so. Equality.